So welcome back to another video. Today we got the parking lot sale. So it's Friday, Saturday, Sunday. So it starts to do tomorrow from Harbor Freight. Also, we do have a picture of a new item. We got evidence of a new floor jack that's coming out. And don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell for more two reviews, two deals. All right, let's go ahead and get started with the picture. Let's get that over with here. Yeah, that's it. That's the picture right there. As you guys can see, it is a new floor jack. Well, it's kind of like the old floor jack, but painted in red. So it is the Pittsburgh 3-ton low profile rapid pump. Yeah. So it's basically the same gray jack that we've been seeing before, but now we have it in red. So, it's a nice thing on Harbor Freight, giving us low profile, same quality, same everything, and a nicer color, basically. And just about the same price. You guys probably can get these with the low profile coupons that we have before. So, yeah. So just to let you guys know, this was, I found this on the social media. Somebody posted it up, and that's it. Anyways, let's go ahead and get started with the parking lot sale. As you guys know, we just did a parking lot sale video about maybe, I would say, about 3 or 4 weeks ago. So I'm just gonna go over the highlights. If you guys want to go over something in depth that you want to look, you guys could take a look at the other video. I'll see if I can link it up above. But other than that, I'm just gonna go over the highlights, the better deals, the best ones. So we got a huge parking lot sale. It says August 16, 17, and 18. So stay tuned for my videos. I will be doing a filming. I will be going into either 1 or 2 stores and filming whatever's there, so you guys can see what this liquidation sale is about. Usually this liquidation sale, it doesn't really run like this. It doesn't run 50, 60, and 93. We never see this 93, by the way. Usually by Saturday we'll get 50% off around. It depends on which store it is, either 12 or 3 o'clock. So you have to ask your manager if when are they planning on doing the 50% off. And usually Sunday about 3 o'clock is about 70%. So and it's still 50% on a generator, a drill, a nice drill, a compressor. I gotta say, it's a smoking deal. You're getting half of this price off, basically. So it is a smoking deal. Anyways, let's go ahead and get started with the devices or the items here. The first item to catch my eye was this Portland 7-amp 9.5 bar, $49.99. That is the lowest I've seen this. Haven't seen it any lower than that. So if you need a pole saw, run to the Harbor Freight and pick yourself one of those up. I believe I paid $70 on mine on a parking lot sale, and they did lower the price. Now they are $49.99. So keep that in mind. These are great, guys. I do have the blue one. Works great. There is a coupon out there for $169.99. I believe I have it in one of my videos, so let's see if I can link it up above. But yeah, that's where the coupon's at. And if you guys need a coupon for that, it's only for these 3 colors. It's blue, black, and red only. I believe there's another coupon for all the other Skittle colors, the other rest, for $189, I believe. Yeah, $189. So if you guys need that, I can probably get it for you. You can email me at 2head147. Other than that, you can look at the video. I will link it up above. Let's see here. Yeah, like I said, don't believe what they say here. Usually the best items to get is the bigger items, like the generators, the compressors, the nail guns, floor jacks. Those are the best things to get from Harbor Freight, especially at the way discounted prices. If you can get one 50% off, man, it's a given. it's a freebie there basically. Let's see, this pressure washer here, I gotta say this pressure washer is real good. This is one of the lowest price I've seen it. So $76.99 is a great deal on that pressure washer. I do have it. Works real good. Let's see here. Another good one is the 3-ton steel floor jack. Again, this is like this one, just without all the fancy stuff. You got more accessories with this. But yeah, it's basically about the same thing but cheaper. So $69 is not a bad deal. So just keep that in mind. And you got the Fortress compressors there. These are great, guys. I would recommend this. Anytime you can stop by and if you need to install TV, they do have the swivel ones, and they do have these, which are the cheaper ones. $16.99. Oh, these are great, guys. This is a good price for this. Usually it's $4.50. 44 by 22 double bank SG cabinets, $4.29 different. If you need a box, toolbox, definitely go pick it up. Great deal there. There's a new item here. It says 6-inch variable speed dual action polisher, $59.99. If you ever get something like this, or if you have a lawnmower at home, or a weed eater, make sure you put stable on these things, because these will go bad. Pretty much the gasoline will start separating, and it'll clog up your carburetors. It'll give you a headache. So always use stable on your, even if you're doing like if you're a prepper, if you like to have gasoline stored in your garage or something like that, always put stable on there. You're pretty much good for 2 or 3 years. I would just definitely reuse it in about a year or less. Every 6 months, I would just circulate the item there, the gas. These are great, guys. Definitely a great deal here at the parking lot sale. Click type torque wrench, under $10. These you can use them for just the basic stuff, DIY, tire rotations. You can use them for, just nothing really detailed, nothing really like, no engine rebuilds or anything like that. But you can use it on the lug nuts of your vehicle. These are solid, guys. I do have some of these. I've been using them nonstop for all my projects. When I have to do stuff to the suspension, that's the first thing I pull out. I pull out these, and then I don't have this gun, but I have the Bauer one, the Bauer Impact, the 1/2 inch. I pull that out with these. Oh my God, it makes so easier, basically. This is the 100-watt solar panel kit. Guys, if you guys haven't watched my videos, you guys like solar panels and charge controllers and renewable energy, build, make your own energy, and basically all that stuff. You want to learn a little bit more on using these devices, check out my video. I do have a link, or a video list of all my videos from solar. So all you have to do is just go to my channel, go to the wherever you have the list, where I have all my videos and the lists, my playlist, and then just look at solar, and all my solar videos will be there. If not, then you can just look at Toolhead147, search up here on the YouTube. So Toolhead147, and just put solar behind it or before it, and all my solar videos will pop up. So just let you guys know if you guys are interested in that. Guys, I've been using this thing for about a year. Still, it's not making a lot because it's only 100 watts. So just keep that in mind. So if you have questions of what you can power with this, they do sell, Harbor Freight does sell like a kilowatt meter. Pretty much you can plug in any device and you can tell how many watts it's using. So this thing is 100 watts. I would definitely won't go 100 watts. I would go at least 70 watts maximum. That way you have the little leverage, so you can run something like that all day basically for 70 watts. Anyways, I don't want to bore you guys with that. So let's keep on going. This is a great tool here. Definitely a great tool for the professional mechanic. A lot of professionals are moving into this Earthquake XT. I've seen a lot around the shops. I've seen it on the tire shops. I've seen even the Daytonas I've seen on the tire shops. A lot of Daytonas and a lot of Earthquake. These are great, guys. Braun 390 lumens magnetic slim bar. I do have it. It's been with me for a long time. I need to actually, mine still works, but I need to pick up myself another one because this one's already has paint in it. It's already scratched pretty much, but it still works. But if I work as a pest control guy, so I gotta basically take, something that looks presentable. So I gotta buy myself another one basically. Let's see here. We got the Hardy. Yeah. Then again, I use this for pest control. So definitely recommend you guys. It's $5.99 is a good price. Definitely recommend these gloves. Let's see here. Breaker bar, half an inch, 25. Yeah, half an inch drive, 25-inch professional breaker bar. Guys, this is the lowest I've seen this. Haven't seen this lower than this. The lowest I've seen it on the other parking lot sales is for $14.99. So definitely stop by. If you need one of these, definitely stop by and pick one up. I will be making a stop at Harbor Freight. I need one of those actually. Because I don't know if you guys watched my previous video, but I was using my torque wrench as a breaker bar. Pretty much I can't use that torque wrench anymore because it's probably not accurate anymore. But I will pick up myself one of these up. Let's see here. Oh, this is a great price, guys. Definitely a great price. Cobra 8-channel surveillance DVR with DVR, 4 HD cameras, mobile monitoring capabilities, $209. Usually we see this for like $220, $230. Definitely a great price. You can watch this on your mobile phone. So this is the upgraded version. It's not like the old one. Well, definitely worth it. This one we usually see it for $9. So I would just wait for it to go for $9. I believe we even have a coupon for $9. These are great, guys. I do have them. I did buy them. I haven't used them yet. But I tried going on Craigslist and trying to find some used ones. Oh my god, I couldn't find any cheaper than like $30. 25, $30. I couldn't find anything cheaper than that. And if Harbor Freight sells them for $17.99, I mean, it's a great price. So definitely pick it up. Oh, here's one of the TV swivel tilt TV wall mounts that I was talking to you guys about. These are great. A lot of good reviews on this for under $10, and it does support or fits most 17 to 42 inch TVs. Just to let you guys know. All right, guys, this is a quick video. Like I said, stay tuned. Either tomorrow afternoon or Saturday morning, I will be uploading not the live, but the store video where I go to the store and look at all the different parking lot sale items that they do have and discounted items, and trying to explain a little bit more how that works. So anyways, we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.